Okay, you guys, I have it. Oh shucks, I need a spoon. So this is my end product. This is my shiso pesto. Oh, that you can't see that very well. It came out so good. It's kind of, I put, shucks, that's that. I know how I'm gonna show you. Excuse my learning camera skills, but this is my dinner. I'm so excited. So the shiso pesto came out really good. So good. I had to try a little bit. I really wanted you to be able to really taste the shiso. I didn't want anything else to overpower it. So I thought, you know, what would be good? And of course I have to have garlic. I love garlic. So I added, here's the recipe. 2 cups of packed, do I have green stuff in my teeth? 2 stuff of packed shiso leaves. So not lightly packed, but packed. And I added a 1/2 cup of olive oil. I like olive oil better. You could use canola oil, but olive oil is supposed to be healthier for you. And then I added just 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar. And then I tried it with a tablespoon of sugar. It was okay, but it didn't have that, didn't have a, not a bite, but something that grabbed you, right? A nice taste that grabbed you. So I added 1 more tablespoon of sugar, white sugar, and that was better, but it still wasn't there. And then I added a teaspoon. I do this seasoned salt, my original blend. So it's just a seasoned salt. You can get Lawry's or whatever. I added a teaspoon of that. Yum-y, that was so good. And now you get to see that this is my dinner. How good is that? That's pretty cool, huh? Can you see it okay? Yum, don't you want to eat some? It's healthy, it's nutritious, and best of all, it's new, right? It's something I thought up, and I'm already thinking of what else can I make a different kind of shiso pesto. So I was thinking, so I would add the shiso, I would do the 2 cups, and then how would it be with tahini? Sesame seeds, just a little bit, and with the rice wine vinegar and garlic. So I'm gonna try that next, but not right now because I'm hungry. I have been working on this, for maybe an hour, and I'm so excited, you guys. It's so fun to be able to get sparks of ideas on creating food, something that nourishes you and something that's healthy, like these cucumbers. I just got it from the farmer's market. The tomatoes are fresh, and the tofu, and yum-y. So give me a like if you feel like this is a great recipe. So again, it's 2 cups of packed shiso leaves, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Okay? Try it. See what you like, how it comes out, and what do you put on it? You can put it over noodles, or you know what would be good too is eggplant. Next time. All right, see you guys. Take care. Aloha.